Sean.
You have it, you have it.
Oh.
Just drive across it, you fucking imbecile. Oh
Oh,
my
Josh, what are you doing, man? You had about 3 chances to correct your mistake.
Drive across it, like, what are you doing? Oh my god.
Oh my god.
It's fine, it's fine.
Don't! Oh. Oh my god, I got so scared there. I genuinely thought you were gonna own goal that for fun. For a few giggles, yeah. Oh man, what a schoolgirl.
Blip. Blip. Blip.
Oh, pinch! No! Oh my days! Relax!
Down, man. It's back again. Oh, go on.
Look at that.
Jab it,
I've
jab
no
it.
boost, I've no boost.
Yeah, you still have it though. Oh my god.
Oh my god! This is the luckiest player to ever touch this game. What is that?
No! Finish! Oh, oh no. That was cold. That was so cold. That was a Balotelli shoulder shrug into the net. That's what that was.
What the fuck is that?
What the hell is that?
Finish! You're clean through! Ah!
Oh, that was close.
What the hell is that noise?
Was it really that weird?
Sounded like sounded like a game show buzzer, like. Just out of nowhere as well. Yeah, it was like. Eh. Oh my god, man.
I can't do those when I'm backtracking. I can't defend that way. Smile, please.
Oh my. if you're gonna ask my help, don't finesse me like that.
Oh, you're on that shot.
Oh. Well,
Bro hadn't even started coming down before the ball went in. Gone off the sea.
weird.
You backflipped it there.
I don't know why. I accidentally pressed L1.
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
Josh, you had like half of the work done. You flip-flopped it into your own net.
We're so bad.
No! Oh my god! What is that?
I saved it though. How did I manage to save it? I did a backflip while saving it. Look at this. What?
Oh my god!
Nah, if Josh would have left that, no one would have saved it. It was fine though.
Oh,
Oh, God.
Get out of your way, Niall.
This guy's desperate.
Imagine he just doesn't score for like the rest of the night and then he has to go to bed.
before you stay on, the,
I laughed and the hiccup came out at the same time. That isn't going on the YouTube channel, is it?
No, thank you.
Oh! Stinky. Stinky.
are
player.
you serious? That's a stretch for that. No!
Oh my god, who passed that back? Sorry.
Mate, I knew nothing about that. I didn't have ball cam on here.
Why?
Because I was getting boost, and as
Put it
soon
in
as
the
I switch it
corner,
back on and like start turning, it just hits me. I knew nothing about that, I swear.
No! Why did I hold down the
Niles!
trigger?
No!
No. Oh, that's
Come on. We're against two people.
He just goes, no.
No. How is that no? How does that warrant a no? Oh my god, I need to be quiet.
Oh,
I just screamed. Oh my god, okay. Calm down.
it made a difference. It would have been 3-4, like. We still would have lost now. Calm down.
Oh no way, man!
What are you doing?
There we go.
It's a while.
Oh no.
Oh my god, Sean. What are you doing?
Oh no. Oh. I missed just so badly. Ah.
I want to report Sean for intentionally throwing.
Why? Do you know how crushing that is when we're chasing the game? We just pull it back to 1 goal deficit. I have that. I'm about to clear it, and you just knock it over. Like, what's going through your head? What's your thought process there? Like, genuinely, what gave you the impulse to touch the ball? What gave you the impulse to go anywhere near the ball when you can see me right underneath it?
It looked like you weren't getting there.
What?
He was literally in front of you, bro. He was.
We're not dealing with Hugh Shan here, like.
Oh, come on.
This is like when Niles Kelly scored that like one
Niles Kelly.
tap in. Shut up, Josh.
Who's Niles Kelly?
Shut up, man.
Niall, do you know
What
Niles
one?
Kelly?
Shut up, man. You were literally nocturnal. Like, shut the fuck up.
Like Niles Kelly? Is he nocturnal?
Suck a dick, man.
Can I choose whose? I'd choose Niles Kelly's.
I'll have to meet this Niall Skelly. Sounds like a great person.
Yeah, nice.
Does he know Raul?
Oh, kill yourself. Actually, like, walk out in front of the lose or something.
The lose.
The lose.
The lose.
The lose.
Yeah. Oh my days, man. I didn't even...
The lose.
How much monies does the lose cost?
500 monies, is it?
No, that's pretty. That's a lot of monies, to be fair.
Oh my god. No, I'm going to bed after this game.
I'm going to iron my shirts after this game.
Do you, Raul, and Niall Skelly take the lose as a trio?
Oh my god. What's it? Oh my god. Oh my.
That's wide.
Okay. Doesn't mean you don't have to do anything.
No. I had it covered. Aye!
Oh. No.
No! Cross the goal, pal! Oh, Niall, where are you? You're just playing Spider-Man 2! Get a PlayStation if you want to play Spider-Man 2! Get off the wall! What are you doing?
No!
Oh, no
Oh,
way,
no,
see
no.
No!
Get away from me!
Get away from me! I called it!
Baking.
No! Bacon?
Mine.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, no way.
How is that his? That's outrageous, man. Wow, I see you.
Yes!
How has he gotten that second touch on it?
Oh, that was unreal.
Almost what? It's almost straight at you.
Right, let me see this.
Oh, that's unreal.
Oh, that's unreal, man. What do you mean Bolton? I
Oh.
was nowhere near that.
Well, not boys, but nah. Like he did, can you?
He got a lucky second touch.
Mm.
And then
Yeah, he
tapped
did
the
like a
goal to go.
flip and missed it, but like hit it
Oh,
like.
what are you doing, you special man?
Oh.
I literally had that cleared and everything.
Skip turned you. I just spit everywhere.
He's just rouletted him.
International
You know,
Space
just
Station.
because
Who the
there
fuck
was
is that?
What?
Who said you're touching the
ISS.
space station?
International Space Station.
Who said
Alright, thanks for that.
Is that not what's supposed
It's-
to be? Like,
I don't know.
It's
I don't know what you
Lee.
represent.
That's the other team. Yeah, well done. Yeah.
It's Lee.
That wasn't Liam.
It was.
Yeah,
Have you ever
well,
heard what Liam sounds like?
Wait, is Caleb there?
yeah, he is, yeah.
Hello, Caleb.
I told you this. Why are you so surprised?
Keeping it
So
real.
surprised. Like he's just talking.
Ask me if he's keeping it real. Ask me if he's keeping it real.
Yeah, Kevin wants to know if you're keeping it real.
Oh, I am, yeah.
Tell him I'm dapping him
Caleb.
up right now.
Why do you find this so funny, man?
Caleb's still there, like.
Yeah, he is, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so. You know when Mr. Price is a whole nother new people, right?
Yeah?
So there's
Oh,
a new.
smell of booze off this fella's breath, man.
Oh my god, let him talk.
So there's a fella called Zach, right?
Yeah.
What is going on?
And like he has a receding hairline.
Yeah, I've never met him, but like I know he works there.
You know him?
I've
Yeah, he says he does, he says he
Okay.
does.
Yeah, I was out drinking him with him today. Tell him I said hi.
What?
What?
I think he wanted to
He
say.
said, tell him I said hi. He's talking to him today.
Oh.
Fucking block it. Yeah, I knew it. Are you kidding me? What the fuck? I knew you were there, so I was like, oh, Josh is there, so I'll just stop. And you just. Oh my god, you weren't even facing the right way, like. What the hell was there? What the fuck? Yeah! God's sake!
Why you went? What I'm saying though? What is your problem?
Ah!
You sound like cracking, you know?
Yeah, the guy that got hit with the fucking, what was it, the basketball? Yeah, I knew it. That's the first thing that came into my head.